Hey, welcome back, everyone. If you are, venturing into the world of being prepared on an everyday basis whenever you leave the house, this will be a good video for you. I'm going to show you what I carry every day. I bring this duffel bag with me, and the contents inside really help me feel a little more secure, like I can get home. So, and I think I have some important tools in here. So I'm going to pack this bag up, give you some ideas, and then you can do with that what you will. So I'm just going to start grabbing things off the counter. Let's start with an IFAK. So I run a high-speed gear IFAK with a tourniquet inside. Two Sharpies, big and small. Never know when you need to write something down. And I carry some NAR emergency trauma dressings. Some more NAR S-rolled gauze. And I like how compact this is. It all fits nicely in this small little IFAK kit. I got chest seals, 2 of those. And as a last resort, quick clock combat gauze. Oh, and a pair of gloves. Almost forgot. That lives in there. Then I also carry some Dayquil and some emergency. You never know when you'll be feeling like crap halfway through your workday. So just nice to have just in case. And that lives in the same pocket. I kind of keep my medical type stuff in the same thing. All right, so that's good for that. Then I carry my prescription glasses in a hard case to protect them. Sunglasses. Carry this DACA pouch with some miscellaneous charge cords and 2 extra batteries for my Trijicon SRO, red dot sight, flashlight, Costco special Duracell flashlight, and a Leatherman multi-tool. And this is the Super Tool 200. This is an old one. I also carry eye drops. If you're allergic to everything like me, these are a must-have. Okay, wet wipes. Never know. Don't get caught without them. That's a bad day. I carry a headlamp. This way I can keep both my hands free if I need to work in the dark. And I do carry a pair of safety glasses as well. All right. Coming in here, I do carry a form of entertainment. I like to read, so if I need to pass some time, Kindle comes in clutch. And then I kept my lunchbox in here. Obviously I can pack a lunch, but I keep, some protein bars, some nut bars in here just to, get me through. And water. I bring a hat with me. This will keep the elements out of your face, whether it's super sunny or rainy. I don't like having water or direct sunlight in my face all the time, so super useful. Keep one of those. And then now, what do I keep on my body? I'm rocking a Ridge wallet, RFID blocking wallet. That way no one can steal my info, and it's actually super easy to do. I might do a video on that because I do have a little device that will take your credit card number right off you. So I keep that front pocket always, never in the back pocket. I've got a Benchmade Shootout OTF knife. Super nice knife, super light. The blade actually does hold up pretty well. Oh, and it's got a window breaker. So I've tried that out on some tempered glass. It actually does work pretty well. And then I am running a Glock 19 Gen 5 and a T-Rex Arm Sidecar 2.0. I like the insurance of the extra mag. And I am running Trijicon SRO. Train with your pistol that you carry. This is a perishable skill. Get comfortable with it. I like the SRO. It's got a huge sight picture, super easy to acquire, and then Streamlight TLR7A. Never had an issue with it. I've never had to replace it. The battery lasts a long time, and it's a bright enough light and, you know, a backup flashlight if you need it. So that's what I'm carrying. Sweet. And just like that, I'm ready to go out in town, go to work, you know, go to a friend's house, whatever, but at least I've got this with me, you know, just as a form of security, and a way to stay prepared every day. And this will get you home, no problem. So anyways, thanks for watching.